Good everyone, my name is Graphics. In this video, we want to study an aspect of mathematics, which is trigonometry. We'll be studying an aspect of trigonometry, which is compound angle. Now, if you look at the screen, you see a question that is displayed there, and the question goes like this. It says, solve the equation cos 40 degree cos x plus sin 40 degree sin x is equals to √3/2 for 0 degree less than or equals to x less than or equals to 360 degree. Now I'm going to start solving. Solution. I will write down the question back that says cos 40 degree cos x plus sin 40 degree sin x is equals to √3/2. Right? Now, there's a law in compound angle that says that cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equals to cos A minus into bracket is equals to cos into bracket A minus B. Right? Now, don't get it twisted here. Your A and B can be any variable, right? It can be A, it can be B, it can be C, it can be D, it can be alpha, it can be beta, it can be anything. It is just only used to represent an angle, right? So if I compare this with the equation I have here, right? Let's say A is the 40 degree there and B is x here, right? So it means that if whenever I see my A, I put 40 degree. Whenever I see my B, I put x. So I'll be having my cos 40 degree cos x plus sin 40 degree sin x is equals to cos 40 minus x. That is cos into bracket 40 minus x equals to √3/2. So this is what we're having here. Right? So when you compare, this is what we are going to be having. Now, if I should take these two here that says cos into bracket 40 minus x is equals to √3/2. I will know √3/2 is the same as writing 0.8660. Is that taken? Now, this is what we have here. If I divide both sides by cos, I'm going to be left with 40 minus x is equals to 0.8660 all over cos. Right? This is what I'll be having. And another way of writing this, you can write it this way by saying 40 minus x is equals to 1 over cos multiplied by 0.8660. Recall, when you have 1 over any variable or any value, to give you the value raised power minus 1. That is the inverse. So if I do that, I will now be left with 40 minus x is equals to cos raised power minus 1. That is, we call it cos inverse, to have 0.8660. So this is what we have here. Now if I input this in my calculator, I will now be left with 40 minus x is equals to cos inverse of 0.8660 will give us what? 30.00, right? Which is approximately 30. Now, if I take the 40 I have here to the other side of the equation, I'll be having minus x is equals to 30 minus 40. So we'll now be having minus x is equals to 30 minus 40. And minus s will now be equals to minus 10. So my x here will be equals to what? 10 degree. Right? It's equals to what? 10 degree. This is what we have here. And to see if we are correct, we can actually check to see if our answer is right or wrong by inputting 10 in the equation above. Which equation? This equation here. Let me say this is my equation 1, this particular equation. So anywhere I see x, I put 10 there. So I'll now be having cos 40 minus 10, and that will now be equals to, we have 40 minus 10, that will give us 30, right? So we have cos 30. And when you input your cos 30 in your calculator, you will have your what? Root 3 over 2, or you say 0.8660. So that is what we have there. And that is how we solve problems that are related to this kind of questions. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.